Olaf, did you hear the news? What's that, Jack? What's that? Elsa, she's going to enter the special games today. Really? But I thought that was only for daredevils. I know. Here she comes.
Hi, Jack. Hi, Olaf.
Hey, Elsa, how are you? I heard that you're going to be in these special games.
You bet I am.
What are you going to do, Elsa? I mean, what kind of special skills do you have?
You just wait, Jack Frost. I'm going to be the best one out there.
We'll see about that, Olaf. We'll see. I'm going to trick her, and I'll make sure that she doesn't win. I mean, I like Elsa and all, but I like to have fun too. Jack, remember last time you tried to play a trick on her, we ended up in jail. Yeah, that won't happen this time, Olaf. I think it's about to begin. Hi everyone, and welcome to the Extreme Games. This is the games where everybody has to do super special tricks or they will get signed. We've got a lot of great contestants today, including Mickey Mouse, Minions, a special monster truck, and last but not least, Elsa is joining. Today's trick is they've got to jump this ramp. But it's not just any ramp, they've got to jump this slime. And if they don't, guess what's going to happen? I got it, Olaf. She's going to use her special skateboard to try to jump the slime. That's okay. I'll fix her skateboard to make sure that she lands right in the slime. Jack, that's a bad idea. No, Olaf. It's a great idea. It's the best idea I've had in a very, very long time. Up first, we've got Minnie Mouse. She's going to be in her convertible. Let's see how fast she can go and she can jump the slime. Here she goes. Go, Minnie, go. She cleared it. Let's see that again. Next, we've got Julius Jr. in his powered Invento cycle. Let's go, Julius. Don't get slimed. Here he goes. Go, Julius, go. Oh, he made it. Let's see that one again, too. Up next, we've got Spider-Man. What are you going to say, Spidey? This is so easy. The slime should almost jump me instead of me jumping the slime. Spider-Man. Okay, Spider-Man, your turn, go. Oh, Spider-Man, you barely cleared it. What does that mean, Hans Olaf? It means you're going to get slimed. Huh? Me? Slimed? No way. No way. No way. That is not Spidey awesome. Ugh. Up next, we've got the Mickey Mouse Roadster. Hey, guys. I'm going to jump in like it's never been jumped before. Okay, Mickey. Up I go. Woohoo. Uh-oh. Oh, I made it. Just barely, Mickey. Just barely. Up next, we've got a monster truck. Monster school bus, that is. Look at the size of that school bus. I hope it doesn't get slimed, because all the school kids on side of it might get slimed inside of it. Here it goes. Oh, wow, that was a close one, wasn't it? But it made it. Up next is Elsa. Up next is skateboarding Elsa. Look at her go. You probably didn't know that Elsa was a good skateboarder, did you? But she is. She's ready for the cars. Woohoo! Olaf, I broke her skateboard. There's no way she can clear it. Ha, it's too funny. Jack, that was a very mean thing to do. Well, that's okay. I'm like to play pranks on Elsa. She's gonna land right in the slime. Okay, here comes Elsa, and Elsa's in the slime. Oh, she didn't win. Oh, poor Elsa. Yeah, poor Elsa, all right. Oh, I got a good one on her. Hey, look, it's Jack Frost. I think he's up next on the skateboard. What? What are you talking about, Hans Olaf? I just heard you volunteer, so you're gonna be on the skateboard next. Oh, I didn't volunteer. Why? Are you a chicken? Oh boy, not good. Oh, this is gonna be great. Up next is Jack Frost. Let's see what he can do. Whoa, Jack, what happened? I just need a bit of a do-over. That wasn't quite right. I guess not. Okay, Jack Frost, you can do it one more time. Okay, here comes Jack. Oh, Olaf!
Yeah, Jack, how can I help you?
Olaf, get me out of this slime. I mean, Olaf, this is just disgusting. Yuck. It's black slime. Oh,
Jack, I told you not to do it.
oh, who's going next? Man, that wasn't... What's that? Ah, minions! Ah! Whoa, minions! What is that about? Everybody, stop those minions! Oh no, they're ruining everything! Oh no, stop the minions!
I stopped them, Hans, Olaf.
Elsa, that was the bravest thing I've ever seen! Maybe you should be the winner!
Yes.
Oh, Elsa, that was fantastic! Good job, too.
Elsa can't be the winner. I went to all the trouble to sabotage her skateboard. Uh-oh.
Jack Frost, you did that?
Whoops. Maybe I did. Ooh, gotta go, see ya.
I'll get him back.
What do you at home think? Do you think that Elsa won or was it somebody else? Leave a comment below and tell us who the big winner was. And also up there, see right up there, right up the, it says subscribe here. So make sure you subscribe to what channel?
The Engineering Family, and I hope you like this video just like the other one.
That's right, Elsa. Good job, good job. And the other one we've got to say is secret passcode, and it is slime. Right there, it says slime. One more time, slime. Hey, that's right, everybody. Okay. How do you think Jack Frost is going to get back by Elsa? Do you think Elsa's going to get him really, really good?
Yes.
You heard it here first, folks. Bye.
Bye, and thank you.
Now check out one of these other fun videos with Frozen surprise boxes, Elsa's trip to the hospital, when Elsa and Jack Frost escape from jail, and Elsa the teacher. Take care and have fun. Bye.